After nearly 10 years of working in the wedding industry and even planning a wedding ourselves, I have 4 essential tips you need to consider when booking your wedding videographer. Hi everyone, it's Steph, your wedding videographer bestie. I hope I can make the search to find your wedding videographer a breeze. And one less thing you have to worry about. Number 1, connection. It's incredibly important that you feel connected to the videographer you are choosing for your wedding. They are going to be with you most of the day and you should feel comfortable around them. Almost like you're spending time with your friends. That's how I always like to say it. Your videographer should be there to serve you and celebrate you really throughout the entire process, not just on your wedding day, but from the initial inquiry all the way to final delivery. Number 2, storytelling. Take a close look at your videographer's shooting and editing style. Does it reflect the type of video you want to remember your wedding day by? Your wedding film should be a narrative of your story, capturing the love, the joy, the celebration that took place on that day. They should serve as a perfect heirloom to pass on for generations to come. Number 3, experience. Your wedding day moves by swiftly, and there are so many moving parts throughout the entire day. While we hope that everything goes as planned without any hiccups, sometimes unexpected things occur. Having a wedding video team that knows how to handle various situations and can make split-second decisions based on their experience and expertise is really crucial. This will contribute to a stress-free day. Number 4, vendor team. For the majority of the day, your videographer will be working closely with your photographer. Therefore, it is so important to have a team that collaborates effectively and shares similar shooting style. This synergy will lead to a smoother wedding day as they are already accustomed to working together. So there you have it. These are the 4 things you need to look for when booking your wedding videographer. If you want more tips and advice and help planning your wedding, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Happy wedding planning!